Okay, scholars, today we're going to read this book called Polar Bear Babies. This book is also in your Ziploc bag, so after we read, I want you to grab the book and read it again on your own. So let's get started. Polar Bear Babies. There is snow here. Here. It is cold. The polar bear lives here. She has lots of fur. She will not be cold. Her fur looks white. It looks white like the snow. To have her baby, she will make a house of snow. She will sleep. She will have her baby in a snow house. The baby is so little. Many polar bears have 2 babies. Some have 1, 3, or 4 babies. This mother had 1 baby. She and her baby will be in the snow house for many, many days. The mother will not eat, and she will give the baby milk. They come out of the snow house. Now the baby is not so little. The mom has to eat. The baby has to go with her. She will look for seals to eat. To get big, the baby has to have lots of seals to eat. Her mother gets seals for her. Then she shows her baby how to get seals. When the baby is 3, the baby will have to get seals for herself. Where are all the seals? Will they get to eat? The polar bear snow house. So this is a diagram and it shows you the tunnel. There's an air hole. There's a main room and then it's the baby room. And you see these little things are showing you how it stays warm. And then the polar bear life cycle. Okay, so it's a 5 to 7 year life cycle. So that means that the mama bear has a baby every 5 to 7 years. So you have the cub, the juvenile, the young adult, and then the adult. Polar bears live here in the northern part of our of Earth, and where it's really, really, really cold, so up in the Arctic. And then this, of course, is the food web. So the polar bear is at the top of the food web. There are no animals that would eat the polar bear. And these are our power words that we have been learning, okay? So if you want to pause the video and practice, but our 2G words are what we're focusing on. So we have baby, day, eat, for, give, her, house, how, make, many, mom, mother, not, now, or, out, so, some, then, 3, 2, when, and white. Great job, scholars. All right, that's the end of your lesson today. Remember, I want you to read this book independently. So you can either pull it out of your Ziploc bag or go to your art bookshelf and read the book again.